99 controller, no console to plug it into. Valve shipped a peripheral before the product it was built for. And the reason they gave for that gap is one of the stranger product launch explanations in recent tech history. The controller arrived May 4, 2026. The Steam machine it was designed to accompany, still coming. And the culprit Valve named publicly is a global RAM shortage that stopped two products from launching as one. On May 4, 2026, exactly 11 years after the original Steam controller launched in 2015, Valve released the new Steam controller at 99 in the US, 85 in the UK, and 99 across Europe. The timing was deliberate. The situation was genuinely strange. Because the Steam machine, the living room PC this controller was built to accompany, hadn't shipped yet. Valve said so plainly, a RAM supply shortage is why the two products aren't launching together. No corporate language, just the supply chain problem, stated directly. To understand why 2026 matters, you have to go back to 2015. Valve's original vision was to drag Steam, the world's largest PC gaming platform, into the living room. Not with a traditional console, but with something in between. Steam machines were third-party hardware boxes running SteamOS. The original Steam controller was built for that world. A gamepad with large touchpads instead of thumbsticks, designed to replace a mouse and keyboard from a couch. It didn't work. The ecosystem struggled. By 2019, Valve quietly discontinued the original controller. The living room dream was shelved. For 7 years, the Steam controller was a footnote. The 2026 model is not a refresh. It's a ground-up redesign. TMR thumbsticks, tunnel magneto-resistance technology offer more precise and durable tracking than standard analog sticks. The touchpads return. Gyro controls are added, rear buttons, detailed haptic feedback, and a small wireless dongle called the Puck, built specifically to minimize wireless latency. Compatibility covers PC, Mac, and the Steam Deck. Valve's handheld that became the company's most successful hardware product in years. That installed base didn't exist in 2015. Valve isn't launching into a vacuum this time. One limitation, the controller only works through Steam. Xbox Game Pass titles won't respond to it. An Engadget review this week called it a gamepad in search of a console. That phrase is accurate, and it's also, unintentionally, the story of Valve's hardware ambitions across the last decade. 11 years between the first model and the second. In consumer electronics, that's an eternity. Apple refreshes the iPhone annually. 11 years between versions of the same product is almost unheard of. But Valve wasn't iterating. They were waiting. TMR thumbsticks weren't a mainstream option in 2015. Haptic technology has advanced significantly. The Puck's low-latency wireless architecture reflects years of development that simply didn't exist when the original launched. The Steam Deck proved Valve can ship hardware people actually want. That credibility changes what the Steam machine's arrival could mean if it arrives. If you found this one worth your time, subscribe. We publish stories like this every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. The Steam controller shipped on May 4, 2026. The console it was built for still hasn't. The next few months will decide whether that looks like a calculated soft launch or just history repeating itself.